This is going to be a very quick post on Apple. I already have my analysis on the screen. I'll just quickly go over things. I was looking for some option trades, and I saw that Apple was dead center in historical volatility range. So when implied volatility is moderate, that usually means just buy the underlying. It's not worth getting an option because you really can't get an edge, you can't get a bargain, you can't rip somebody off. So just get the stock. Anyway, symmetrical triangle breakout. This was on, let's see, this was on the 26th. It broke out above its symmetrical triangle trend line. I would have preferred to get in around $380, but get in anywhere as long as you can get under $385. That sound reasonable? Yeah, if you can get under $385, then it's worth buying. We have a target of $425, and we expect that to... Our time target is a long-term one. I don't know if I necessarily buy that, but we expect to get to $425. Now, the thing that I don't like about this trade is that even though it looks like say I go over here, or maybe the S&P will give me a better look, the trend is sideways right now, but the momentum indicators are saying that the short-term trend is right about to turn up. I don't like it that the short-term trend is about to turn up, but the long-term trend is still down. So with this one, I'm going to recommend pretty close, like when it hits 425, just be ready to exit the trade. That's all I'm going to ask. We're getting around 383.30. I already got in this trade. I'm sorry, I got in after hours on Friday. I got in at 383.30. Our stop will exit with a loss if it's under 375. If it closes under there, target 425, risk $8.50 per share, about, and our reward $41.50 per share, about. That gives us a approximate risk to reward ratio after you adjust for probability, which this has a 68% chance of succeeding according to the Bulkowski studies, which I mention constantly. That gives us a adjusted risk reward ratio of 10.68, and unadjusted it's closer to about 7.5. So it's a favorable trade as long as you can get in under $385. So that's your trade for a day. Happy trading. Also, we do have some momentum buy signals in the stochastic, the relative strength index. Momentum itself isn't telling us much yet, but looks like a good trade. And of course, we have a nice strong uptrend to be giving us confidence.